Hello guys, welcome back to me talk about the one only thing all love, money. In today's video I want to share with you companies or websites that are hiring remote workers. But before I dive right in, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 1, 1 hour translation. This website gives you an opportunity to earn from home translating documents. They work with big companies such as Coca-Cola, Amazon, and Google. Have you ever wondered how come you can find a Coca-Cola website, for example, in English and also in your home language or other languages? It's companies like 1 hour translation that hire people like you to translate for those companies. This is a big company with more than 25,000 workers worldwide, and it is perfect for bilinguals. They have a 5-step application process. Firstly, you apply and take the exam, get reviewed by the staff, get the certificate of which you can also use for other translating jobs. After that, you can start working and each project will be rated. And finally, you will start getting high-paying projects. They have 120 plus languages. I've seen Zulu and Afrikaans projects. Of course, for common languages, they have more jobs. So if you know any of those languages, you have a better chance of finding work almost every single day. 1 hour translation pays via PayPal and direct MasterCard. It is free to join, but you are required to have 1 cent on your PayPal because they want to check first before they send you money. They also give you an opportunity to earn extra money via priority projects. You earn extra points for doing things like editing documents that have been translated already. If you qualify for priority projects, you will see a separate section on your open projects. The amount of points earned influence your rank. So the more points you have, the higher you rank, and you have access to more projects. And of course, make more money should you decide to take those projects. Some languages are currently paused, so depending on which language you're applying for, you may receive pending status, but it doesn't mean that you won't get accepted. You'll receive a notification when they open those languages again. They always pause and open languages. Number 2, skipthedrive.com. If you're looking for an all-round website, this is it. This website is perfect for all jobs, from entry level, no experience, to healthcare, marketing, finance, etc. Majority of the jobs here are remote, so you can apply no matter where you are. I like this website because you're not limited to one job. You can apply for 5 jobs or even more from different categories. If you don't have any experience or degree, you can go to this website, click on entry level, and you will see many jobs with different requirements, and you can check the one suitable for you. For those of you who do have degrees but currently unemployed, you should pick a category that is most relevant to what you studied. Sometimes the pay won't be enough or fair for someone who has a degree, but you have to start somewhere. Skip the Drive also groups other sites where you can do micro jobs, some of which I've talked about, such as Rev, Fancy Hands, etc. So when you land on their website, you can also click micro jobs and check what appeals to you. Number 3, rubynow.com. I shared a few screenshots of people who are earning from this online job that I recommend, and someone commented on that post and asked me if there are any other jobs that they can do where they don't have to write. Of course there are, and I've shared some of them, but I thought I should add this website that I've recently discovered. A fellow African studying computer science uses this website to earn some money online. Ruby Now is perfect for developers or software engineers. They hire qualified developers and also students. If you're into coding or studying a similar course, you should definitely check this website out. Number 4, dribble.com. Dribbble prides itself as the heart of the design community and the best resource to discover and connect with designers and jobs worldwide. This website is perfect for creatives. You'll find jobs such as product design, visual design, motion design, etc. Most of their jobs are also online, so you work remotely. If you have any talent in design or even a degree, go apply and get paid doing what you love. Dribbble and Ruby Now are more for permanent jobs, and they pay better than the first 2 websites. But the first 2 websites are perfect for people with no qualification or experience. I always try my best to accommodate everyone, because not having a certification or qualification doesn't mean that you don't deserve to make money online. Please check this site and apply if you find something you think you can do, and if not, check my other videos. Whether you have a qualification or not, you can still find a job here. A civil engineer from Namibia recently shared a PayPal screenshot showing me the money that she had made from this particular job she found here. So even if you are qualified, don't be afraid to apply for these jobs. You don't only have to use your qualification in your country. If you have any questions, comment down below and I'm gonna try to reply as soon as I can. You can also DM me on Instagram. All the links will be down below, and don't forget to subscribe.